Hello, so I'm not wearing pants, and I hope that in no point in this video does anyone see that. I mean, there's a lot of new people here. Hello, welcome. So I thought that I would just, like film an FAQ, but it's gonna be when I'm a little bit drunk, cause I guess I like doing that now. Oh my god, look at my phone, look at my pop socket. I die. So I asked on my Instagram stories, ask any question, and yeah, that's it, here we go. I thought these questions were really sweet. What made you interested in skateboarding? If it wasn't already painfully, brutally obvious, obviously skate. I hate being that one bitch who's like, yeah, I started physical activity because of an anime, but that's absolutely, definitely 100% me. Leading up to it, I actually already, had friends who were skaters, friends who are like really into skating, and it was always kind of just like an option or like an opportunity for me in my life to pick it up because all of my friends are really into it. But after that, like I just continued skating because like I realized that it was really fucking fun. I have never really met like a kinder group of people or like a kinder community. Every time I go to skate parks, like no matter how old someone is, like it could be like a really tiny little kid or a teenager, or like I met a grandpa who taught me how to drop in. Like everyone I've ever met at a skate park has just been like either minding their own business or just like insanely like positive and encouraging. Have you gotten a serious wound or injury so far from skating? My last skate session, I did try to learn how to drop in, and that's like a little bit more of like a dangerous thing to do for beginners. I fell so fucking hard. I'm actually currently having difficulty walking right now because I smacked so hard on the concrete on my left hip. Not that bad. I mean, I haven't like sprained anything so far. I have really nasty bendy ankles. What the hell? What are you gonna do after you go pro at skateboarding? Not a question, really, but I am so flattered. Would you ever stream Genshin on Twitch? Your Genshin video was so fun to watch. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is Yes! Dude, thank you. I feel like really like shy, but also like excited and happy that like I have all these new hobbies and I can like share them with people. So like, I'm a gamer now. Not really, I'm barely a gamer. I would love so much to stream gaming. I think the only thing I would really stream is like Genshin, Dramatical Murder. I would love to also like not even just stream myself gaming, but also like I'm quietly eating a bag of chips while reading this like 100,000 word fanfic, and I'm just like in the dark. I would love to stream shit like that. I actually got some equipment recently, and I have a friend who's helping me set things up. Yeah, so it's a work in progress. I got a lot of questions about the girl that I'm currently seeing right now. It was like, will you ever post about her? To clarify, we have been seeing each other for a couple months now, and like, we're very happy, but we're not in an exclusive relationship. So rather than being girlfriends, we're more like lovers, which is also very nice and very cute. I'm not really looking for a relationship right now. So, like I'm just, dating cute girls and stuff like that. I don't think that I'm interested in like posting about who I'm dating right now. We're both just kind of like living our own lives. If I get, a girlfriend or a partner in the future, I'm not opposed, to showing them on social media. It's just like currently right now, like that's not really what I'm looking for. What's gonna be your next hair color? Ooh, this is actually a really popular question. You know what? I don't know. This is actually my favorite hair color that I've ever had. This like split seems really fun to me. But I would love so badly to do a rainbow, like a pastel rainbow hair. I think previously when I was like going through shit, like I think my wardrobe was like really monochromatic, but now that like I'm like happier and I'm flourishing and I'm gay and I'm in therapy, like I love color so much, and I feel like that like attraction to like bright beautiful things is kind of like coming back into my life. So I've always wanted to do rainbow hair. Oh my god, I love this question. I loved the collab you did with Coley Does Things. What's your favorite fanfic trope?
You see this?
Oh.
You ready? kids. No, no, no.
No, he did not. Yes, people talking to me about fanfic, like my dreams are coming true. I'm such a weenie baby that like I don't want pain in my fanfic. I want them to be happy, I want them to be in love, I want them to hold hands and kiss. Just like good, sweet fluff, maybe like first kiss fluff or like cuddling fluff, a sick fic. But also I really love Omegaverse. Am I allowed to say that on here? Hi, I really like your content. Cute emoji. I wanted to ask, what is your zodiac sign and MBTI type? My zodiac sign is a Taurus. I'm also a rat in terms of year. And my MBTI type, I got the mediator, which is INFPT. So I am introverted, intuitive, feeling, prospecting, and turbulent. Love this question. How do you know if you're a lesbian or bi? My favorite reference in the world, the Am I a Lesbian Google Masterdoc. Check it out. How is Ollie? XO. I love when people ask about my dogs. My dogs are doing well. They are insane. Every day they drive me crazy. I have my dog Ollie, which is like my bigger dog. He's like really fucking weird. I don't know what his problem is. He's a big baby. He's so cute. He is having, you know, some problems, but you know, why else do I work? It's to pay for my boys and to pay for my dogs pee surgery. And then I also got another doggy like right before quarantine. His name is Sesame. We're really good friends. I think we started bonding a lot when he got older and he like had a functioning brain. Thank you for asking about my dogs. I love them. You got a type? And then they did the emoji. Do I have a type? I think that I really like nerdy girls. Every single girl that I've dated in the past has been like a gigantic nerd. Like if I could think of like my current ideal relationship scenario, it would be to date someone who loves reading like fanfic, and so like at night we can cuddle and read fanfic on one phone. In terms of like style or like appearance, I've dated like all types of girls, honestly, but I think currently right now like I'm really attracted to feminine girls who like cute fluffy things. I really like those types of girls. And then also on the opposite side of the spectrum, like I would die to date a hot girl with a wolf cut who's like maybe like a skateboarder. I don't know, like I'm just in my fantasies now. Favorite thing about banana fish? What the hell? Obviously Ash and AJ's relationship, like it's just the fact that it's so pure. It's such pure love. Who are you? I don't know. Who am I? I am just honestly just like a girl living her filthy life. In colorful clothes. Favorite BL manga? Oh shit. I have to make a detour and visit my bookshelf. You can't do this to me, like I can't just pick one thing, but I have a very complex answer, very thoughtfully crafted. Favorite BL from 10 years ago, Konbini-kun by Junko. My current favorite BL, but only one volume long, is Rumspringa no Joke by Kaya Azuma. I'm very proud to have this in my collection because this was sold out everywhere, because as you can see right here, this was the top BL of 2019 and it says Kono BL ga yabai. This BL is crazy, which it is. So this was sold out everywhere, even until last year in 2020. I had my friends in Tokyo check all the bookstores for me because I could not find this online. And then I had my friend in Tokyo buy it for me and then bring it to me in America. Current favorite BL series, which is longer than one volume, Yatamomo by Harada. The first time I read this a couple years ago, I really didn't like it. Like it was just too much, but now that I'm older, I'm an adult, my taste has refined. I love the series. The characters are really cute. My favorite author, Kashima Chiaki. I think my favorite series from her is Kazoko ni Naroyo, which is Let's Be a Family. Which anime would you be the main character in? Is it like realistically what it would be? Because I think it would be like a poorly written slice of life anime. But if it was like my dream of like what anime I would love to be in, I would love to be like in like a otome game anime, like surrounded by like my reverse harem of like shoujo princes. How do you stay confident in cute outfits while living in a Kardashian world? XOXO. I love this question so much because I did feel like I was losing my confidence. I think a couple years ago, like I had very, very low self-confidence. Just, you know, a lot of hard shit was going on in my life and it really impacted my self-worth. So I definitely did feel like I tried to like simplify my style. So I wore a lot of black. I wore things that were definitely more like matured. I realized that like self-confidence comes from, I think, like happiness and excitement. And I feel really excited when I look at cute, colorful clothes. My confidence in wearing these clothes comes from like my genuine excitement to wear them and to also like have them and collect them. So yeah, I hope that, you know, whatever you're struggling with, that you're able to eventually find like some more self-confidence in yourself. Your first anime in your life. Oh man. I think I started actively watching anime when I was in first grade, so I was like 6 or 7. I think my first anime was actually Utena. It's one of my favorite series to this day still. In the 2nd grade, I was obsessed with Hunter x Hunter, obviously the 1999 version. So I remember my first boyfriends were Kurapika from Hunter x Hunter, Edward Elric from Fullmetal Alchemist, Wolfram from Kyokara. You can kind of see that since a young age, I clearly had a type, which is pretty fictional blonde boys. And it still rings true to this day, and it just brings me pain. I like this one. What was your first part-time job? I was a waitress. I have nothing but like respect for customer service workers. I would take a bullet for a customer service worker. Seriously, like the shit that I dealt with in customer service has been ridiculous. Not really with customers as much as my bosses who like yelled at me, you know, like it's just, it's hard. I think when push comes to shove, I think I perform pretty well in absolute crumbling chaos. I remember one time I was carrying hot sake, which was like literally just boiled. I was bringing it over to like a customer, but I tripped and I spilled it all over my hand, but I didn't let go of all the glasses that I was holding. Like I like clenched it down because I didn't want to break any of the shit, and my hand was being scalded by alcohol, but I was like, it's okay. So yeah, I think being a waitress gave me superpowers, honestly, to deal with just like so much shit. And I would say just tip your servers and your service workers well. Do you have any plans of cosplaying someday? You'd look so cute. Oh, thank you so much. I used to be an avid cosplayer when I was in my young teen years. I stopped because I was just in a rough place in my life and I just couldn't, you know, focus on my hobbies for a while. Now that I am in a better place, I would love to get back into cosplaying. I would love to cosplay cute anime girls. Honestly, it is a dream. But every single one of my dream cosplays right now is like some young boy. Right now, my dream cosplay would be Aether from Genshin Impact. I would also love to be Xiao from Genshin. I would love to be Gon from Hunter x Hunter. Like that has been a cosplay that I've wanted to do since I was in 2nd grade. I would also love to be Avatar Aang from Avatar The Last Airbender. I love this one. What's your go-to Starbucks drink? I get the same shit every time and I need a new order, like 5 crying emojis. If I'm feeling sinful, it's going to be a matcha frap. If I am feeling not sinful, it would be an iced green tea, sometimes with sweetener, sometimes without. It was the only Starbucks drink that I drank when I was in college because we had a small Starbucks on campus and I would just walk throughout like campus through the sweltering California sun drinking that drink, and so I think it was the only thing that comforted me during my extreme depression college era. So I have fond memories with that drink. And then the third one is my newest favorite thing, the pink drink, but instead of coconut milk, I like it with soy milk. What's your go-to boba order? I love green tea, so my favorite thing is actually a green tea sea salt. So that's not necessarily a boba, but you can get it at boba places. If you could go back to 1 year ago, what would you tell yourself? XOXO, I love you, Maya. What would I tell myself? I would say that everything's gonna be okay. I went through a really difficult breakup and COVID happened. I was extremely depressed, but since a year ago, I have definitely, you know, just learned a lot of important life lessons, and I started going to therapy. I started having trauma therapy, and I started medication. So everything really did, you know, just get better. I kind of just had to like really fight for it though. So that's what I would tell myself if I could go back in time. I would be like, it's gonna be okay. Don't cry. Oh shit, oh god, almost dropped. Almost dropped. Why don't you make makeup videos anymore? I miss them so much. Lots of love, X. Aww. Honestly, I think it's because, you know, it's just been like years, you know, like I've had like different phases in my life where I'm just, you know, more interested in different things, and right now I'm not really that interested in makeup. I'm more interested in hair stuff, honestly. Like I really do genuinely enjoy making like hair-based content, and that's kind of, you know, just what I am interested in, so that's kind of what I'm putting out right now. I love this question. Do you respect women? Absolutely. I love that you had to double check. It's good, you should double check if people respect women. So yeah, that's it for this super casual, kind of tipsy Q&A. Thank you guys for, you know, just asking about how I'm doing. A lot of people just like mentioned that like I seem genuinely happier these days, and therefore they're very happy for me, which it warms my cold, dead heart so much. And yeah, I'm going to turn off my brain and play Genshin now. I will see you guys again next week. Bye!
He still makes those same faces. Reki, my love of skateboarding is because of you.